Hi everyone. I wanted to show you one of the benefits of getting your wheels ceramic coated. Actually, the whole car has been ceramic coated and it cleans up super easy, but I've been bad with the wheels lately, and I thought I'd give you a chance here. You can see they're pretty grimy in there. So, with nothing other than a regular car wash, we'll clean it up in just a matter of minutes. Alright, get the middle soaked up. See, I'm just basically just brushing the mitt over every crevice and nook and cranny here. Here we go. You can see huge difference in about 5 minutes. My recommendation, get a ceramic coat.